Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com, and we're looking at the S&P Daily. The market's popped today. Check this out. The Dow and the S&P up 1.37%, and the NASDAQ up 1.71%, and the Russell's 1.8%. And confirmed by the VIX dropping by 4.5%, putting us at 25.6. And here we are, the S&P Daily. We were in this nice rising wedge. We broke down out of the wedge, and then we're popping back up, which looks to be like we have a bull flag in. Like it's developing very nicely, and there's a good chance this thing could rocket north. Well, what happened today was pre-market is Australia raised interest rates, causing a rally in their market and carrying over here in the U.S. Furthermore, we have gold hitting an all-time high of over $1,040. Very interesting. Here's the S&P. Let's look at this closer. We have a trend line coming down, this trend line coming down, and technically we broke over the top of this and the 20-day moving average. So we closed above the 20-day moving average and this trend line. So that is bullish. We went up and tagged this trend line that we have coming up. Let's pull in more data so you can see what I'm talking about here. Here, So it'd be support, and now it's acting as resistance right here. So the question is where we go tomorrow. I'll tell you, I see a resistance area. I would say somewhere around 1062, 1063 should be resistance. After that, I see a 1070 area as resistance. 1069 to 1070. After that, 1073, and then after that, I see a 1080. Those are resistance areas, and a support area for tomorrow, Wednesday. I'd see 1043, 1042 area would be a support, and 1040 should be a support, and then if it gets down this low, around 1030 to 1032 as support. So I want to also pull in the NASDAQ and just show you what's going on here. The NASDAQ, this nice channel heading northbound, almost looking wedgy. We have support, 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 and then we broke support a few days ago. Let's blow this up. Broke support, acted as resistance, and then today healed itself. So this is called a jab. Anytime you leave a trend, a channel, and then immediately come back and heal itself, that's called a jab. Nothing you can do about those. But this is acting pretty bullish. Now that we're back inside this trend or this channel, that could get really bullish. And we have the 20-day moving average right there acting as resistance. And I'd say that the next area is 2122 for a resistance area, and after that 2140 area as resistance. Our support areas should be, well, I would say we have a support area around 2091 and definitely right here at 2084 area on the NASDAQ. So there you have it. Thanks for being a part of freetradingvideos.com. Looking forward to chatting with those tonight on the webinar. I think that we are full. If you're interested in mentoring, this is called Meet the Mentor. But next week, next Tuesday evening, if you're interested to hear more about the Meet the Mentor thing, feel free to sign up, and you can do so by going to the website, clicking on services, and filling out the form. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.